Today we look at the important thing you need to do. First thing you need to do when you open Microsoft Word before you start typing. What are the important things you need to do? So let's go. The first thing you need to do when you open Microsoft Word is to go to where you call font here. As you can see it here, this font will allow you to use different kind of character to type. So you select the type of font style you want, or we call it font face. Anyone you want to use to type your work, you select it. As you can see, there are many, just like the way you write your work. As you know, all of us have different type of handwriting. My own handwriting is different for yours, and then so depend on anyone you want to use to type. So moment you click on anyone, I make use of this one mostly because when you type with Tahoma, the work used to be bold, and I also make use of this one. Time New Roman also make the work bold, and also make use of this area. When you use this kind of three fonts, at the end of the day when you print out your work, you love it because the work will look bold, look clean, and then look sharp. And then with the rest of typing is to what is to get best out of what you are typing. So make use of it. After you have changed it to what the font you want to use, which is Tahoma, you come to the font size. This is font size. As you can see it, font size. You set the size you want to use to type your work. Normally the font we used to use to type is 12 font, so you set it to 12. This is 12 font. But meanwhile, if you are typing a project, you have to make use of 14, while some make use of 16. But normal typing, you are making use of 12. So once you set it, you see, you set it. The next thing to do now is to what? Is to start typing your work. So the moment you start typing your work, you will know that the work will look like this. So far you have already set it. Your work will look like this, and at the end of the day when you are printing it, it will always also look sharp. So that's the first thing you need to do moment you open your Microsoft Office Word before you start typing. So you need to do it before you start typing, because at the end of the day when you type, it may and then you later want to change the font or change the size. It may change your work and then scatter the work you have already prepared. So that is the best way for you to make use of it, and set your page, set your font, set your font type before you start typing. So it's very, very important for you to do that. So don't finish your work before you start setting the style you want to use, or the font you want, or the size you want to use. So make sure you do that before you start typing. And don't forget our new coming video. We still have another video that is coming, so watch out for that one. And how do you know that the video is online? We'll be able to know by notifying you. So if you subscribe or like our page, when the video drop or you post it online, you'll be able to know on time. Make sure you subscribe, like our page, and make sure you share the video, because other people outside there can also benefit. Thank you.